Have you ever wondered how to replace teeth with flexible dental prostheses? Teeth, those little white wonders, play a vital role in our lives. They are the unsung heroes of our daily sustenance, and losing them can significantly impact our quality of life. But don't worry, there's a solution. Flexible dental prostheses. These are not just replacements but lifelines that restore the joy of eating, speaking, and smiling. So how does the process of replacing teeth with flexible dental prostheses work? Let's dive in. First, understand what flexible dental prostheses are. These are a type of denture made from a flexible, lightweight material that adapts to the shape of your mouth. They are designed with your comfort in mind, bending and flexing as you talk, eat, and smile. Flexible dental prostheses offer several advantages over traditional prostheses. For one, they don't require metal clasps to hold them in place, which means they're essentially invisible in your mouth. They're also typically more comfortable and less likely to cause irritation or discomfort. Why are they becoming so popular? Well, they mimic the natural flexibility and strength of oral tissues remarkably well. This makes them a more natural-feeling choice for tooth replacement. The secret lies in their composition. They're made from a type of nylon or similar plastic which is both durable and flexible. This flexibility allows the prostheses to adapt to the nuances of your mouth, providing a snug and comfortable fit. Now that you know what flexible dental prostheses are, let's move on to the process of getting them. The process of getting flexible dental prostheses starts with a visit to the dentist. It's an exciting journey that begins with a thorough consultation. Your dentist will assess your oral health, discuss your needs and expectations, and explain the best options available to you. This is your opportunity to ask questions and express any concerns you may have. Next comes the crucial stage of taking impressions. This is where your dentist will create a precise mold of your mouth. It's a meticulous process, as the more accurate the impression, the more comfortable and effective your prostheses will be. You see, each mouth is unique, and the goal is to create a set of teeth that fit you perfectly. Once the impressions are taken, they're sent to a dental lab where your custom-made flexible dental prostheses are crafted. High-quality materials are used to ensure durability and a natural appearance. It's a process that requires skill, precision, and a keen eye for detail. When your prostheses are ready, you'll return to the dentist for the fitting. This is where you'll see the transformation take place. Your dentist will ensure the prostheses fit comfortably and naturally, making any necessary adjustments. Remember, comfort is key, and your dentist won't rest until you're completely satisfied. And there you have it, a new set of teeth that are not just functional but also comfortable and natural looking. Now let's summarize the key points about replacing teeth with flexible dental prostheses. In this video, we've explored what flexible dental prostheses are. Essentially, they're a type of denture made from a lightweight, durable material that can flex to fit your mouth perfectly. We've talked about their advantages, such as their comfort, durability, and the fact they can be a more affordable option than other types of dental prostheses. We've also walked through the process of getting them, which typically involves several dentist visits for impressions, fittings, and adjustments. The importance of regular dental visits for maintenance and adjustments cannot be overstated. Just like natural teeth, these prostheses require care and attention to ensure they continue to fit well and serve you for a long time. Remember, flexible dental prostheses can be a great solution if you're looking to replace missing teeth. But always consult with your dentist to find the best solution for you. Thanks for watching.